of days, Americans across the country will either begin paying thousands of dollars more per month for health insurance or losing their coverage entirely. In fact, more than 350,000 people, all of whom live in districts represented by Republicans on this committee, will lose their coverage entirely. 25,000 of Chairman Jordan's constituents will lose coverage. 30,000 of Chairman Van Drew's constituents will lose coverage. 20,000 of Chairman Fitzgerald's constituents will lose coverage. And they have the opportunity right now to sign the House Democrats' discharge petition to force a vote to extend the Affordable Care Act tax subsidies for 3 years. I appreciate that the chairman said that he doesn't feel like it should be permanent. I appreciate that it sounds like the chairman also did not have a fix. But what the chairman did not say is whether or not he would sign the discharge petition, which is only asking for an extension, and considering the fact that the last time I checked, the House, the Senate, and the White House are run by Republicans, hopefully within the next 3 years, they could actually find a plan. But nevertheless, I invite my colleagues on the other side of the aisle to do right, not by my constituents, but by their own. Instead, they've called this performative hearing to try to distract the American people from what is about to hit them. The fact that they have sold out their constituents because Donald Trump and their billionaire donors told them to do so. Their fake concern for fraud, waste, and abuse, and their talking points on lowering the cost of living, well, it's all BS. Every single bit of it. They gave these billionaires permanent tax cuts, and they are sacrificing the average American to pay for it. They canceled grants that schools were using to improve student outcomes. They stole resources that farmers and rural communities used to expand local food systems. They took resources from preschool and early childhood education programs. They dismantled programs that helped tackle homelessness and assist seniors. They eliminated medical research grants that have helped thousands of people battling cancer and Alzheimer's. They've done all that, but won't even help their constituents see a doctor, buy food, pay rent, or pay for childcare. They're okay with corporate socialism, but if you're a teacher or a police officer or a student or a sanitation worker, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, if you can't afford childcare, if you can't pay your rent, if you can't feed your children, if you can't afford to pay for college, if you're struggling with medical debt, well, you're SOL in Trump's America.